Double entry system. All transactions and events have a dual impact on the assets, liabilities, and equity of the business. The relationship among the assets, liabilities, and equity is shown in the accounting equation. It is assets equal liabilities plus equity. In other words, transactions and events make two changes in assets, liabilities, and equity on the accounting equation. Example: purchase of a machinery by cash for $10,000 for the business. This is a transaction because it results in an exchange and a result of decision making of the business, so that it has dual impact on the accounting equation. That is, money asset decreases and machinery asset increases. Accordingly, because of dual impact of the transaction, always the accounting equation remains balancing. This dual impact of a transaction can be recorded in opposite sides of at least two accounts with equal values. These two opposite sides are called debit and credit. This is called double entry system. Accordingly, accounting equation provides the foundation to double entry system. In the above example, let's convert dual impact into double entry. Increase in machinery asset. Machinery account debit $10,000. Decrease in money asset. Cash account credit $10,000. As per the above, you may have two questions. First one, what is an account? Second one, how to identify dual impact of a transaction as debit and credit. This is called double entry analysis. An account, also called ledger account, is the place where debit and credit entries are recorded, so that it is a record in the accounting system. In simple, it takes T shape and the left side is called debit and the right side is called credit. Next we'll see how to identify the dual impact of a transaction and event as debit and credit. Double entry analysis. Luca Pacioli, mathematician from Italy, formalized and popularized the double entry system in his publication in 1494 called Summa di Arithmetica. He is considered as the father of double entry system. He has introduced 5 basic rules to create double entries. Assets. Debit to increase in assets, credit to decrease in assets. Liabilities. Credit to increase in liabilities, debit to decrease in liabilities. Equity. Credit to increase in equity, debit to decrease in equity. Income. Credit to increase in income, debit to decrease in income. Expenses. Debit to increase in expense, credit to decrease in expense. Let's see an example how these principles are applied. Borrowed a loan $100,000. Dual impact. Increase cash asset, increase loan liability. Application of double entry principle. Increase an asset is debit. Increase in liability is credit. So that the double entry is cash account debit $100,000, loan account credit $100,000. However, in early stage, there was not any scientific base for the double entry system, and it was just rules to follow. Therefore, the double entry accounting was considered as an art. However, later on, the double entry system has been proved scientifically by using the accounting equation, so that now the double entry accounting is considered as science. Let's see how double entry system can be proved with the use of accounting equation. The expanded accounting equation can be written as follows. Assets equal liabilities plus equity plus income minus expenditure. Without affecting the balance of the equation, the dual impact can be shown on the accounting equation as follows. Assets increase minus asset decrease equal liability increase minus liability decrease plus equity increase minus equity decrease plus income minus expenditure. Now you can bring up all similar signs to one side to balance the equation. Accordingly, assets increase plus liability decrease plus equity decrease plus expenditure equal assets decrease plus liability increase plus equity increase plus income. The left side of the equation is called debit and the right side of the equation is called credit. I hope this helped you to understand the basics of double entry system where every debit has a matching credit. Keep practicing, stay curious, and let accounting work for you. See you in the next video.